Replacing your windows can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic appeal. However, the quality of your window replacement project largely depends on the skill and reliability of the contractor you choose. With many options available in Little Rock, finding the best local window replacement contractor can feel daunting. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you select the right professional for the job, ensuring a seamless, high-quality installation process. 1. Start with local referrals and recommendation. One of the best ways to find a trustworthy window replacement contractor in Little Rock is through word of mouth. Start by asking friends, family, neighbors, or colleagues if they have recently replaced their windows and if they recommend the contractor they use. Hearing first-hand experiences can give you insight into the quality of work, customer service, and professionalism of local contractors. In addition to personal referrals, consider reading reviews on popular sites like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Pay attention to recurring comments, both positive and negative. A contractor with a history of satisfied clients and positive feedback is likely a reliable choice. 2. Verify licenses and insurance. Professional window replacement contractors should be licensed and insured to work in Little Rock. Licensing ensures that the contractor has met local requirements for training and expertise, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during the project. Ask each contractor to provide proof of their license and insurance, including liability and workers' compensation insurance. Working with a licensed and insured contractor not only offers you peace of mind but also protects your home and investment. 3. Consider experience and specialization. Experience matters in window replacement, as skilled contractors are better equipped to handle unexpected issues and ensure a flawless installation. When researching contractors, look for those with several years of experience in window installation, especially in the Little Rock area, where they'll be familiar with local building codes and climate considerations. Some contractors specialize in specific types of windows or materials, such as energy-efficient models, custom windows, or specific brands. If you have unique requirements or are interested in specific window styles or brands, seek out contractors with expertise in those areas to ensure they're well suited to meet your needs. 4. Request detailed quotes and compare pricing. Once you have a list of potential contractors, request written quotes from each. A comprehensive quote should include the cost of materials, labor, removal of old windows, and any additional fees. Take the time to compare each quote carefully, but remember that the cheapest option isn't always the best. Often, significantly lower prices can be a red flag for low-quality materials or rushed workmanship. Transparent pricing and clear, itemized quotes indicate a contractor who values honesty and transparency. If there's anything unclear in the quote, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. A reputable contractor will be happy to explain the details and answer your questions. 5. Ask about warranties and post-installation support. Warranties are essential when it comes to window replacement. Reputable contractors often provide a warranty on both the product and the installation. This means that if any issues arise due to faulty installation or materials, they will be addressed at no extra cost to you. Ask each contractor about the types and lengths of warranties they offer and what is covered. In addition to warranties, inquire about post-installation support. Will the contractor be available if you have questions or experience issues after installation? Good contractors stand by their work and prioritize customer satisfaction. 6. Review past work and customer references. Request to see examples of the contractor's previous work. Many contractors have portfolios or can provide before and after photos of completed window replacements. This will give you a sense of their quality and craftsmanship. Additionally, ask for references from recent clients. Speaking directly with past customers can offer valuable insights into the contractor's punctuality, professionalism, and ability to meet project timelines. Previous clients can give you a clear picture of what to expect if you hire that contractor. 7. Trust your instincts and assess communication. And finally, trust your instincts when interacting with potential contractors. Good communication is key to any successful project, and your contractor should be responsive, respectful, and attentive to your needs. A contractor who is transparent, takes the time to answer your questions, and provides clear timelines is likely to be someone you can rely on. Avoid contractors who are difficult to reach, evade questions, or seem uninterested in discussing the project details. Clear, open communication is a good indicator of professionalism and a customer-focused approach. Choosing the best local window replacement contractor in Little Rock involves careful research, comparisons, and an assessment of trustworthiness and experience. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision, ensuring that your window replacement project is handled with expertise and professionalism. From enhancing energy efficiency to boosting curb appeal, a well-executed window replacement adds value and comfort to your home. Take the time to find a contractor who aligns with your expectations, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a job well done.